What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Lots been going on here lately, this whole quarantine coronavirus stuff. So Trigga's actually not able to make it here. Not that he has anything, you know, we're just doing the whole social distance thing. Kind of sucks, but it is what it is, and we got to keep the YouTube channel going. Hope you guys enjoy this. So what we're gonna be doing today, guys, I got these Baja Design lights. These are actually their flush mount lights, so they're gonna sit right into the bumper of the Tundra. I got them to use as fog lights. Hopefully look really good. Each light costs about $140 just for one light. Baja Designs makes really good product. It's what I also have as my pitch lights, and those things are really bright, so I expect these things to do the same thing. Comes with instructions on how to set it up, and it also comes with a little cutout so you can use that template to put where you're gonna put your flush mount light, cut it out, and then slide it right in. It should fit perfect. Also comes with a few extra parts, the hardware, and then what I did, instead of having to run different wires, I decided to make it easy on myself. And this right here, Baja Designs wire harness that works with the Tundra's OEM fog light switch already in the truck. So this is just plug and play, makes it real simple. You don't have to run any extra wires or another switch to turn these things on, so it'll just work with your standard car fog light switches. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna come here, at least to this bumper. I mean, it'll be the same no matter what you're cutting it out with. You just might have to use a different tool, but this is just that ABS plastic, so it's real easy to cut through. So the light will mount right around here. I was thinking about doing it right in the center, making one, but what I was actually just realizing is I think I'm gonna offset this one over to the side a little bit. That way I can run a second light right here, and I'll have actually two of them. So I think that'd look pretty cool. I'll probably do this amber one here and maybe just get a clear lens and put right here. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna take your template, mark it out, and I'm just gonna use a Dremel to cut through this. It should be easy enough to cut through. Cut it out. You gotta drill the holes for these screws. You just set the light in there, put a Sharpie, you'll see how it is in the time lapse. Mark it out, then with your Dremel, just push it through, and then get your screws. And then from the back side, you're gonna have a little nut and washer, and you'll just tighten it all in together. Now it's mounted in there, nice and tight. So now, what you're gonna do, you're gonna take your plug and play switch that'll connect to your Baja light, and also your OEM plug for your fog lights for the truck. You can just see it in there. So that will just go right here. You plug this side into your OEM light right here, and then this will connect to your light, and it should work nice and good. The other side I've already turned on, looks good. Install. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's just a quick one, but just to keep things rolling along while we do the social distancing stuff. Me and Trigga will be back together soon. Make sure you subscribe, like this video. If for some reason you don't like it, just leave a comment. Let us know what you'd like to see different from us or something better if you guys have any suggestions. We'll be back at it again soon. Before I leave you guys, remember, keep saving. Can make things happen.